In this video, we're going to look at how to install the Smarter Drafter add-in for Microsoft Word. The Clause Bank is included in your Smarter Drafter subscription, but before you can start using it, you need to download and install the Smarter Drafter add-in from the Microsoft Office store. If you're in a bigger firm, you'll need your IT team to add the Smarter Drafter add-in to your Microsoft account. For everyone else, you can install it yourself in just a few clicks. Depending on your version of Microsoft Word, the add-in menu might be in a different location. However, the installation process is the same. If you don't know where to look to find add-ins, just use the search bar. In Microsoft Office 365 on Mac, navigate to Insert in the top menu and click on Add-ins and then Get Add-ins. This will open up the Add-ins Marketplace. From here, start typing Smarter Drafter and press Enter. The Smarter Drafter add-in listing will appear, so simply click on Add and then Continue. Back in Word, you can see that the Smarter Drafter add-in shows up in the sidebar and as a tab in the toolbar. To begin using the add-in, sign in with your Smarter Drafter credentials. And that's it! You've successfully installed the Smarter Drafter add-in and you can start using the Clause Bank feature, so jump right in and give it a try.